Welcome. Today we will unlock the mystery behind IPTV and its inner workings. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, and it runs over the internet, unlike traditional cable. The first step is understanding how IPTV delivers content using a series of protocols and networks. IPTV requires a reliable internet connection to stream shows and movies without buffering. Next, we have different types of IPTV services: live, catch-up, and on-demand programming. To access IPTV, you'll need a compatible device such as a smart TV, smartphone, or set-top box. Channels are usually organized into packages, allowing users to choose their preferred viewing options. Many users prefer IPTV for its flexibility, allowing them to watch their favorite shows anytime, anywhere. One of the best IPTV providers is 2TV.store, known for its competitive pricing and quality offerings. In conclusion, IPTV is revolutionizing how we watch television, offering numerous advantages over traditional cable.